What if I told you this building was constructed in 2 weeks and by a robot? Would you believe me? If not, let me show you how. Come on through. This is what it looks like inside this single-story villa located in Sharjah's University City. It was a project by the Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park to showcase their 3D printing technology. In terms of the architecture, it follows an Arabian design and was constructed in 2 weeks. It was built using 3D printed concrete laid out by a robot. The liquid building materials are then set into a solid structure. The robot adds a second layer, the same way until a full wall is completed. With a pre-existing design in place, 3D printed homes can be completed in a matter of few weeks. Well, I'm not a real estate agent, but given how sturdy this building seems, it looks like this might be the future of the world of construction. With cameraman Mohammed Sajjad, this was Abdul Karim for Khalij Times.